Rahima Begum is just another migrant woman who lives in Kutub Diaphara in Cox's Bazar. Rahima and her husband Shahidul used to live in Khulna, where they have lost everything and ended up to Kutub Diaphara in quest of a new life. Shahidul invented a new way of earning. He started making car cleaning brush made of chicken feathers. Rahima tries to help Shahidul by assorting the feathers whenever she is free. They make two categories of feather brushes, one with bigger feathers with thick weaving and the other one is thinner. Rahima gets admitted as a group member of microfinance 3 years ago. She started with a loan of 12,000 taka and invested that money into their feather brush business. Now she has got a loan of 20,000 taka, which helps them to make the business bigger. Now they can send a good number of brushes to big cities like Dhaka and Chittagong.
আমি আজ 20-25 বছর ধরে কাজ এটা করি। বড় ধরনের একটা সহযোগিতা যদি পাই বা কিছু অঙ্কের টাকা পাই তাহলে ব্যবসাটা আরো সুন্দর করে করতে পারি। পুঁজি অভাবে আমরা কোনো রকম ছোট হয়ে গেছি, তবে ব্যবসাটা ভালো। আপনাদের থেকে একটু সহযোগিতা পাই, আমি আশা করি ব্যবসাটা বড় করতে পারবো।